Everybody, listen up, listen up. If you've got a noisemaker in your hand, you are saving it until the very end of the ceremony.
Only when they say I do and he pronounces you man in white.
Then you can make noise, okay? Right now we need to sing.
Shh. Alright, everybody ready? If I hear any of them, I'm taking the voices ready. Count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Hey, burrito.
Hey, burrito.
Hey, 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 burrito.
Hey, 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 burrito.
Yeah, burrito, yeah.
Yeah, burrito, yeah.
Taco Bell, Taco Bell.
Taco Bell, Taco Bell.
Guacamole, cinnamon twist.
Guacamole, cinnamon twist.
Hey, burrito.
Hey, burrito.
Hey, 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 burrito.
Hey, hey, burrito.
Yeah, burrito, yeah.
Yeah, burrito, yeah.
Taco Bell, Taco Bell.
So
Taco Bell, Taco Bell.
Guacamole, cinnamon twist.
Guacamole, cinnamon twist.
Hey, burrito.
Hey, burrito.
Hey, 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 burrito.
Hey, hey, burrito.
Yeah, where's the groom? Well, we're not your wedding, so what's up?
If we could do burrito one more time, bring the groom down.
Wedding singers, lead them on.
Everyone ready? Hey, burrito.
Hey, burrito.
Hey, 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 burrito.
Hey, burrito.
Yeah, burrito, yeah.
Yeah, burrito, yeah.
Taco Bell, Taco Bell.
Taco Bell, Taco Bell.
Guacamole, cinnamon twist.
Guacamole, cinnamon twist.
So are the brides ready? Alright, everyone ready? You can't ride in my little red wagon.
You can't ride in my little red wagon.
The front seat's broken and the axle's dragging.
Front seat's broken and the axle's dragging.
Ooh ah, ooh ah, ooh ah ah.
Ooh ah, ooh ah, ooh ah ah.
Second verse, same as the first, but a whole lot louder and a whole lot worse. You can't ride in my little red wagon.
You can't ride in my little red wagon.
The front seat's broken and the axle's dragging.
The front seat's broken and the axle's dragging.
Ooh ah, ooh ah, ooh ah ah.
Ooh ah, ooh ah, ooh ah ah.
Third verse, same as the first, but a whole lot louder and a whole lot worse. You can't ride in my little red wagon.
You can't ride in my little red wagon.
The front seat's broken and the axle's dragging.
The front seat's broken and the axle's dragging.
Ooh ah, ooh ah, ooh ah ah.
Ooh ah, ooh ah, ooh ah ah.
Fourth verse, same as the first, but a whole lot louder and a whole lot worse. You can't ride in my little red wagon.
You can't ride in my little red wagon.
The front seat's broken and the axle's dragging.
The front seat's broken and the axle's dragging.
Ooh ah, ooh ah, ooh ah ah.
Before we start the ceremony, we have a speech from the best man we'd like to deliver. So without further ado, Griffin.
I don't know what to say, really. A few minutes to the biggest battle of your personal lives. All comes down to today. Either you heal as a couple, or you're going to crumble. Inch by inch, day by day, till you're finished. You're single right now, and you can stay that way, or you can fight your way into the light. You can climb into marriage, one word. No, I can't do it for you. I've chased off anyone who has ever really loved me. And lately, I can't even stand to see myself in the mirror. But I'll tell you this. It's a fight. In a fight, it's the men who's willing to die who's going to gain that inch, that word. So, got to look at the person in front of you. Look into their eyes. You will see a person who will sacrifice themselves for you, because when it comes down to it, you will do the same for them. That's a marriage, folks. Either you come together now as a couple, or you leave as individuals. And that's the wedding. That's all it is. Now, what are you going to do? Let's get moving.
That was great. Come up here, please. All right. Aloha, everybody.
Aloha.
And welcome to the wedding of Ranger Becca and Lat. We've gathered here today to celebrate this crazy thing called life. It's a very long time, life. And these two have decided to share their commitment with us, the island. The story of how Lat and Becca met takes place right on this very island. When Lat came to the island, he was a young man whose whole life was video games, television, and Twinkies. Upon arriving, he discovered the world of Rangers, became obsessed with working on his passions. It was here at Rangers that he met Ranger Becca. Becca had a strong background in Ranger skills before she came to the island, so when she arrived, she knew some stuff. Lat was very impressed, fell head over heels for her instantly. I remember him telling me, there's nothing more attractive than a girl that can tie a bowline. In an effort to impress Becca, it wasn't easy heading out. In an effort to impress Becca, Lat offered to help her with some Ranger skills that she was not too good at. To which Becca replied, "You're real technical, huh?" Over time, Becca came around, and Lat and Becca's love blossomed. They spent fun-filled camp days together on the island, playing dodgeball, fishing, sailing, doing arts and crafts, and of course, going to Rangers. It is there their shared love of the island grew, and their shared love of one another. And that's what has brought us here today, to celebrate this union. So now, if I could please have the rings. Thank you very much. Okay. Lat, could you please take Becca's hand? Now repeat it. Oh no, you don't have to get down. I was just trying to Okay. So please repeat after me. Ranger Becca.
Ranger Becca.
I take you.
I take you.
As my island bride.
As my island bride.
In sickness and in health.
In sickness and in health.
In rainy days and in sunny days.
In rainy days and in sunny days.
On all camp overnights and on Ranger overnights.
On all camp overnights and on all Ranger overnights.
Until the Seagulls eat our lunch.
Until the Seagulls eat our lunch.
Hallelujah.
Hallelujah.
Thank you. Ranger Becca, if you could please get your ring. Ranger Becca, please repeat after me. I take you, Lat.
I take you, Lat.
To be my island husband.
To be my island husband.
In good times and in bad.
In good times and bad.
During stormy days and during sunny days.
During stormy days.
It's okay. You can take a minute. You can take a minute. This is an emotional time.
During stormy days and during sunny days.
During all camp overnights and during Ranger overnights.
During all camp overnights and during Ranger overnights.
In really goose poop covered fields and in really clean ones.
And really
Until the Seagulls eat our lunch.
until the Seagulls eat their lunch all the
Hallelujah.
Hallelujah.
Now by the powers vested in me by the YMCA of the North Shore and the Universal Life Church, www.universallifechurch.org. I now pronounce you island bride and groom. You may high-five each other.
Lad, we need to have food.
Does someone have the bucket?
Well, come on.
Come on, listen. It's reception time. So what we're going to do right now is we are going to get our lunches and you're going to proceed over to the picnic grove with your counselors. We are going to have lunch. After lunch, we're going to have a reception where we are going to cut the cake, throw the bouquet, open some presents, and have a